A little more motion on there than on this side.
Okay.
But now I understand why I've got the piriformis is lying.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sherry, let's clean that up while I have you here.
Okay.
Have you turn over and lie face down.
Okay.
There we go. All right. Now I'm not being fresh, but I'm checking and we've got a lot of tension here. Okay, so Sherry, we're going to loosen this up for you, okay?
Yes, I know.
Strings too.
The glutes are not firing well at all.
Right.
I know that.
That's right. You're right. Okay, now let's go to the other side to balance out the equation.
But I know you can feel all the inflammation in
Yep.
there too.
Yeah, a lot of tension here. We're going to do a little drop work. It's not going to hurt. Just loosen everything up here a bit. Reset the knees. Nice. Okay. All right. Sherry, I'm going to come around to the other side of the table.
Okay.
I'm going to do one more thing. Hang in there. Sorry, I'm going to give you a little pinch. You're just a little uncomfortable. Good. Not so bad, right?
Nope.
Fantastic. This is your quadratus lumborum. A little tight here. You hanging in there with me?
Yep.
Excellent. All right, let's polish this off here. Okay, Sherry, hang in there. Let me just get a little bit more reduction in the tightness here. How's this all feel now? Better?
Yep.
Okay, almost done. Get this to loosen up a little bit more. All right, Sherry, ready to test it?
Yep.
Hop right up off the table. Here we go.
Alrighty.
Hold right here, Sherry. Ready? Hold again, and hold. Okay, good. Jump up and down. Now hold. Hold. Arch back. Hold. Bend forward. Hold. How's that feel? Is that good?
That rocks.
That's an example of a functional technique to increase the body's ability to perform.
Wow.
It's pretty neat stuff, isn't it?
That's awesome stuff.
Very good.
That is awesome stuff.
Thank you all very much for watching. Once again, this is ShariFitness and Dr. Nelson Womash.
And we'll have more videos for you guys too. and future Fit Talk show.
Very good. What'd you think, Sherry?
That was cool.